Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a ride that's built for simplicity, ruggedness, and sheer thunder. 2025 Yamaha TW200. If you're into motorcycles that are more about the experience than the flash, this one might just be your next obsession. The TW200 has long been known as a quirky yet dependable bike, and Yamaha keeps that reputation alive with the 2025 model. Starting with the way it looks, the TW200 stays true to its roots. Its styling hasn't changed dramatically over the years, and that's a good thing. It still carries that unmistakable fat-tired dual-sport look. Chunky 130/80ths front and 180/80ths rear tires give it a muscular gunny-wear attitude. It has a minimalist design with practical elements like the round headlight, upright handlebars, and small but tough fuel tank that holds just over 1.8 gallons. For 2025, Yamaha introduces new color schemes, with a matte navy and desert tan combo standing out for its rugged vibe. The frame and finishes have been slightly refined, giving it a more polished appearance without losing its retro charm. It's not about speed or high-end performance, it's about enjoying the ride, feeling connected to the road or trail, and knowing that your bike won't let you down. Asterisk now, when we talk about interior features, we need to consider that this is a minimalist motorcycle. There's no traditional interior, but what's in front of the rider counts. The TW200 offers a compact analog gauge cluster with a basic speedometer, odometer, and indicator lights. The seat remains low and wide, making it comfortable and accessible to both new and seasoned riders. The handlebar position is upright and natural, perfect for long rides or trail exploration. The grips and controls feel solid and durable, and even though this isn't a high-tech machine, the simplicity adds to its appeal. There are no ride modes, touchscreens, or connectivity features, here just pure mechanical engagement. On the performance side, the 2025 Yamaha TW200 is powered by a 196cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It's not fast, and it's not meant to be. What it does deliver is reliability and a smooth, steady power band that's ideal for dirt paths, back roads, and even city commuting. The 5-speed transmission is easy to use, and the clutch feel is soft and beginner-friendly. The bike's low weight and short wheelbase make it incredibly nimble, especially in tight spots or off-road. Suspension-wise, you've got a 33mm telescopic fork up front and a single shock in the rear. It soaks up bumps decently well, though it's clearly tuned more for casual trails and light off-roading than aggressive terrain. Braking comes from a front disc and rear drum setup, not cutting edge, but perfectly effective for a bike in this category when it comes to pricing. The TW200 remains one of the most affordable and approachable dual-sport bikes on the market. The 2025 model is priced around $5,000 USD, making it an excellent option for beginners, budget-conscious riders, or anyone looking for a second bike that's just plain fun. Its value proposition is hard to beat: low cost, cheap maintenance, and a bulletproof engine that can last for decades with minimal upkeep. So, wrapping up this review, the 2025 Yamaha TW200 doesn't try to be something it's not. It's not a high-performance machine or a tech-heavy modern ride. It's a practical, dependable, and surprisingly capable motorcycle that continues to win fans through simplicity and rugged charm. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first dual sport or an experienced rider wanting a fun little machine to hit the trails with, the TW200 still delivers in all the right ways. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know what you think of the new TW200. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the road ahead.